Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a first timer, I am super grateful to have you. And if you're a oldie, you are as usual much appreciated. Welcome back to another video. And for today's video, I am doing a beautiful spring twist hairdo using this awesome silver gray spring twist hair, and her hair is naturally a salt and pepper combination color, a nice silvery color, and so this spring twist hair will work wonders with her natural hair color. So I'm just getting the hair out the way to start the process. And I'm using for today's style the Beyond Beauty spring twist hair. This is a ombre color. It is the 1B gray, which is a blend of the 1B and the gray with the gray at the tips. And I pretty much used an entire, well, not an entire package. The hair comes with 3 bundles. I ended up using 2.25 bundles, I would say, for this look. And the hair was ordered from Amazon. I will put the link to the Amazon store in the description bar below so that you guys can check it out if you're interested. So to start off the style, I'm just trying to sleek down her roots just so that her hair texture matches perfectly with the softer, silkier, shinier texture of the spring twist hair. And what I like to do is to run my hair through my hand rather through the hair, just to loosen it a bit, because I'm separating it in half and using half of each piece to make an install, to do one twist. All right, so this is just being installed with a braid at the roots, a typical 3-strand braid at the root, maybe for a 1/2 inch. Yeah, and as soon as I braid it a 1/2 inch, then I am going to just start the twisting process. And it's important, you guys, you have to know your hair texture that you're working with, and to know what technique suits that hair best. So for this hair texture, which is on the softer side, you don't want to go ahead and twist it from the root, because the likelihood of it slipping is greater. So I'm just going ahead and braiding first. And then up to the point where her natural hair stops, I'm just going to ensure that the twist for that portion of the hair is more on the rope twist side, a tighter twist. And then once I pass her hair, then I just go ahead and do a loose, effortless twist all the way to the end, just to give it that nice bouncy springy vibe. But for the root part, for the part that is where her hair stops, you want to ensure that the hair doesn't loosen easily, or that her hair won't stick out through the twist. So I did that portion a little bit tighter than the ends. Alright, so when I get to the end, I pretty much just add some product and use my fingers to do a twirl, just to give the ends that natural look. Yeah. And that's twist number 1, you guys. And to condition her roots, this is the product that I use. I use the Let's Jam Extra Hold Conditioning Jam. And yeah. All right, so I've pretty much done the same process, thus far, and I'm now at the half mark. So this is how it's looking so far. I am in love with the spring twist here, you guys, and this color, I would definitely rock it. Even with my hair being fully black, I would so rock this look. So yeah. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and just continue to section off the hair for installation. And pretty much this is how I do it for each row. I just, section off the entire row of hair, and then I just secure the balance of the hair so that it doesn't get in the way while I'm twisting. All right, so yeah. So let us just clip that out of the way. And the process is the same, just using a little bit of the Let's Jam at the roots just to smooth it down. And then this is half of a twist that I'm installing, separating her hair into 3 pieces, and use the middle piece as a third and start braiding. And guys, there are so many different braiding looks, braiding styles out there. We have the spring twist, you have the passion twist, you have locks, you have, plaits, you have all of these different styles. But, I like the spring twist just because it is super soft, it is super light, and it is pretty much easy to maintain. So there you have it, you guys. We are pretty much done. This is the finished look, our Beyond Beauty spring twist here, and this is the 8 inches, and it's the 1B gray. That's the color. And we used 3 bundles. Well, it came with 3 bundles, and I pretty much used 2 1/4 of the bundles. And yes, this is a very inexpensive hairdo. I believe the hair is $22 if I'm not mistaken, but it's a little bit over $20. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, to rate, to subscribe. Remember to share with a friend and to comment, and let me know what is your favorite protective style. Yes, and until next time, be safe and be blessed.